Hey there, Kristin Folts, your intuitive parent coach and energy healer here at Healing Home Coaching. I am going to be sharing with you our themed mini session promotion going on. This is one of 3 that I'm going to be sharing over the next couple of days with you because I needed to take a sabbatical, needed to take a break, and I didn't want you all to miss these because they were specifically downloaded from the divine. Each one of them are $15. Buy 1, buy 2, buy 3, gift them out, and I don't want you to miss it. So the next couple of days, you're going to be seeing a couple of different posts about our mini session promotions and getting back into the regular scheduled programming, if you will. So the first one is blocks to feeling safe. So this is going to be releasing a negative core belief to you feeling safe. We're going to have the percentage that you currently feel safe overall. We're going to have a negative cord to either a energy weapon or energy wound or a person. So one negative core belief, percentage, negative cording to a person or because of an energy wound. We're going to do 2 trapped emotions. So 2 trapped emotions preventing you from feeling safe, and the trigger emotion that you feel or experience that makes you feel unsafe. So that's going to be promotion 1 for the mini session themed promotion. So it's blocked to feeling safe. For this round of the mini session promotion is connecting on a soul level. I'm excited about this one. This is definitely playing out in my own life right now, connecting on a soul level. So that is going to be focusing around releasing blocks and negative soul ties to a past lover. So connecting on a soul level. So this is for my individuals who are still connected to a past lover or relationship or marriage that is, you feel like there's a block or you feel like there's still a connection with that person and you're wanting to release that energetic ties to them. So we're going to release a negative soul tie to past lover. We're going to do 3 trapped emotions blocking connection to your future or current soul level person. A negative core belief on being vulnerable enough to connect. And we're going to release a potential trauma experience that doesn't allow you to connect to your soul person. To recap, the connecting on a soul level is specifically about breaking and disconnecting soul ties to a past lover or person that you felt intimate with, whether it was sexually, physically, emotionally, spiritually. It doesn't necessarily have to be just because you all slept together, but breaking a negative soul tie from a past lover. 3 trapped emotions, and a negative core belief. So that could be a variety of different things that either has to do with you or the person you're connected to, which, for example, I had soul ties with my ex-husband, and there was something going on in my life that I felt blocked in. And I explored that through muscle testing, and it came back that it was a soul tie, not that I had created, but the other party had created. And so I severed and released that, and it released both of us from that soul tie. The third mini session promotion topic is speaking your truth. Now, I downloaded the last 4 months of 2020 back in July. So I didn't know what was going to be happening in my life. I didn't know what I would be dealing with at the time. And speaking your truth is a big thing for me currently right now. So this is a complete divine download, if you will, as far as this third promotion, because it was scheduled for September 7th, which was this past week. And that is speaking your truth, okay? We're going to balance the throat chakra. We're going to do 3 trapped emotions in the throat chakra. We're going to do a mental or offensive energy released, and an energy leak zapping your authentic voice, which could be a category that I have downloaded, or an energy wound, so a saboteur, something like that. So we're going to balance the throat chakra, release 3 trapped emotions affecting your throat chakra, and a mental or offensive energy released, along with the percentage of how happy your throat chakra is currently before, well, I should say before the work and then after the work. So speaking your truth is very important, especially when you have been silenced or threatened or made to feel like what you experienced doesn't matter or could make you feel vulnerable. So speaking your truth from what you perceive to be truth, and having a voice and having an opinion and it being heard and accepted is something that's very much in the forefront for me personally. But remember, this was all downloaded in the middle of July when all this came through, and I literally just reread these because I was behind I was behind schedule on releasing the mini session promotions to you all. So forgive me for that, but so appropriate right now, especially for me and maybe even for you. So to recap, there's 3 mini session promotions going on between now and Monday. So there's 3 that you can choose from. You can do all 3. You can do 1. You can do 2. You can do 3 for you, 3 for somebody else. And what you'll do is when you purchase it on PayPal, you'll literally just pick which ones you want. So the first one is blocks to feeling safe. A negative core belief to feeling safe, percentage you feel safe to trust yourself or your intuition. A negative core to person or through an energy wound, what's called a saboteur, and 2 release of 2 trapped emotions, and the trigger emotion to feeling unsafe. The second one is connecting on a soul level, and that is going to be a negative soul tie to a past lover, or an intimate partner if you don't consider them your past lover, but an intimate partner or someone you felt vulnerable enough to share intimate details with your life with that person. 3 trapped emotions blocking connection on a soul level with another human. A negative core belief on being vulnerable enough to connect with another human, and a trapped emotion attached to the trauma experience that's a trigger on a soul level. Hopefully that makes sense. And then the third one is my favorite out of the 3, speaking your truth. And that one will cover balancing your throat chakra, 3 trapped emotions in your throat chakra. So opening up your throat chakra energy, allowing you to speak your truth and let your voice be heard and acknowledged. 1 mental or offensive energy released. An energy leak in some capacity, blocking your authentic voice, either an energy wound or a category, or what I categories are my own behind the scenes, my own downloaded um, energy healing system, if you will, that I utilize a lot in my work. And then the percentage of your throat chakra happiness before the work and then after the work. So those are 3 really jam-packed mini session opportunities that you have available between now and when they close in a few days. So get those. I'll have the links below. Comment below which ones you want. Private message me if you prefer to do that. And I can't wait to see what kind of things we get to heal going forward. So each one of them are $15. Buy 1, buy 2, buy 3, gift them out, connect with me, and I can't wait to help you on your healing journey. I'll see you soon.